It's like the intro to the Clubhouse. So you probably go to the dashboard and then it's just going to show you kind of some upcoming things. So my work, these are like the tasks that have been assigned to you. Where it gets interesting is we go to the stories page. Um, Show everything. So it's a little different than before. So before, like we had different boards for each project or whatever. So we'd have a board for the back end, or it's called the API server, a board for the React front end, board for the iOS app. Now, essentially, it's just one board, but then you can change these filters to like show what you need. So if you only want to see the back end, you can toggle these checks on and off. Or what's cool, they have the shortcut, so you just click the only and then so now I'm just seeing the back end. Or like if I just want to see the iOS app, it'll switch over. The thing that's a little different, so these cards are basically the same. What's cool, so the color on the left is showing you what project that it's part of. So green is front end, blue is back end, etc. The actual color card is the type of card. So the yellow ones, like these yellows, are all features. The red are bugs. So we don't need a bug column. It's just it's a bug type, and you can see the little bug here. And then the blue is they call it a chore is the type. So it's like refactoring or something. So yeah, otherwise unscheduled, essentially like the backlog. Ready for development is kind of like the to do, and then in development is progress. They do have some extra granularity on the progress. We can actually have a review or a deploy. For deploy, right? That could be the stuff that's in dev but not yet gone to production. So we could use that column. And there's yeah. So if I were to drag it in there, then it will expand out. But otherwise, it's they sort of hide the columns. And then of course we have the completed one.